Hey guys, so I'm on my way to work and I think I need to take off these glasses because they don't fit. Like with my lashes, they just don't go, but that's okay. I'm on my way to work right now and today is December the 10th. So I have been going to the gym regardless like of my whole fail that I haven't been telling you guys about that. I have not updated you guys on that, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wait till after Christmas and I'm gonna try to just jump on the whole January thing and start fresh or whatever. But no, I mean, I'm still trying little by little here and there, trying different things to get better for my health. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys at work. So guys, right now I'm waiting for the train to pass, so yeah, I'm waiting for the train to pass, so I figured I would just vlog a little, and the people in front of me probably can like see me, but who gives a damn. On the 13th, we're gonna have, on Friday the 13th, ew, I don't like that date, we're gonna have a Christmas party at my salon for like all the girls and stuff. And so I think I'm gonna have you, I'll probably vlog the whole thing. Like, I'm making this game, and I have to make it. It's like a cardboard and it has Christmas trees, and then you basically, you can like punch through the cup, the solo cup, and you can get a prize. And so it could either be something good, something bad. I'm gonna throw in like a lot of gag gifts, you know, and then some cute little things. But we're gonna play that, and we're gonna play the saran wrap gift. I don't know what it's called. We're gonna play White Elephant, and we're gonna play just all kinds of drinking games because we are gonna get drunk. So I'm gonna vlog it all for you guys. I hope. I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it so we can have it recorded as our first The Beauty Bar Christmas party. So, and then we're planning to go out and drink some more, so we will see how that night ends out. I'm gonna try not to drink a lot because last time I drank, I felt so freaking horrible. I wasted a whole day, and I kind of want to go shopping Saturday, so that would ruin those plans, so I cannot. But who knows, right? We're gonna have an ugly sweater contest, so if you guys have any ideas, I would greatly appreciate it. I need to look on Pinterest. Like, I want it to be ugly, but I want to look decent, and I'm just carrying a lot of weight right now, so it is a struggle. But yeah, the train's about to pass, so I'll see you guys later. So today's the 11th, and I'm going to the gym right now. I'm about to head out, but I just came to Walmart, and I should have took you guys inside. Yeah, let me show you really quick what I got. And excuse this stick. Like, this is the stick that I hold. Anyway, what I was saying is I picked up a few things that I'm gonna try for lunch. Well, not all of them, but I got this Green Giant Veggie Tot broccoli and cheese. So it's made out of, and it says no potato, filled with broccoli and cheese. So bomb, I need to try those. Then I just picked up what I usually pick up. These are broccoli florets. Is that what you call them? Broccoli cuts. And they're just chunks of broccoli. They're really good. Also picked up some low-fat Daisy cottage cheese because a long time ago when I was on a hardcore diet, I did this and it was good. That's what I would eat. And then also the Green Giant's Veggie Tots cauliflower. So I want to try these. They're probably really delicious. Like, they got to be really, really good. But yeah, so I'm going to try one of these. I'm heading out. I'm going to the gym, and it's already pretty late. Like, I'm very procrastinator. Is that what you call it? My thing was to buy a sauna suit and just to come wear it at the gym, but that's not going to happen because as I was shopping for one, I had it in my basket, and then I did look up videos, and not a lot of people had good experiences with it, which I know I'm eventually gonna get it just to like sweat out more, but also knowing that I'm not drinking a lot of water, like I'm walking in dangerous waters, not about to dehydrate, get sick or anything. So I'm just gonna go to the gym and work it out, sweat it out, see if I can do a good workout. I'm gonna let you guys go because I'm driving, and yeah, bye. Hey guys, so I know that this vlog may have me looking like I'm wearing the same shirt for 2 days straight, but I promise you I'm not. As you can see, why do I even have to explain? Alright guys, so I'm on my way to, I'm gonna stop and pay a bill really quick. Adult problems. But fuck, the sun, hold on. But I'm excited, I'm nervous. So I'm here really quick, and then guys, I'm on my way to another town here in our, I'm gonna go see if anybody is allowing booth rent. I know I look crazy. I'm gonna comb my hair, calm down. But I'm gonna go see if I can booth rent. If not, I'm going to, I have a couple places that are waiting for me to go, and I'm scared because I'm gonna venture out, maybe do lashes, maybe just do nails, I don't know. But this is an hour away, and you need to put yourself out there, but I'm super scared. Like, am I even good enough, you know? But I really want to do more nails and stuff, and I just gotta try. So I'm gonna take you guys with me on my adventure, and we will check it out. Hopefully we'll see how this video turns out. Alright, so I'm on my way, and I'm not going to vlog right now because Abyss is driving, and I'm just yeah, so I will talk to you guys when I'm in the town that I'm going to. It's like about an hour. Alright, so I made it to town, to this other town, and I'm supposed to turn right here. Sure. Hoping that it's like on one of these main streets.
Turn left onto 39th Avenue,
okay.
Then turn right into the...
So this would be the building. This would be the building that I'm working in. I don't know. I will let you guys know. Hey guys, so yesterday I did not finish vlogging. So yeah, sorry I didn't finish vlogging, but today I'm at work now, and I went and talked to a lady at a salon, and they did give me a position there to do nails, so hopefully that goes great. I'm gonna be doing nails and eyebrows in Greeley, Colorado, so if you're from there, hit me up. But yeah, right now I know I look a mess. I'm working, and I just I have been painting. But yeah, so I look a mess because I got a facial done, and it felt good, and I'm working right now. So I'll be here till about 11 p.m. and my husband is painting. Pink ass room. I don't know if you guys can see how freaking pink it is in here. But we had one girl move out, and so he's painting it so we can have a new girl move in. Anyways, I'm here at work right now, and I'm waiting for my next client. So I think I'm pretty much gonna end the vlog here, and have still a way to go. Like I think my last client comes in at 9 or 9:30. I don't even know, something crazy like that. But talk to you guys later. And then tonight, actually, we're gonna be cleaning this whole salon and getting it ready for like a Christmas party that we're having. So that'll be fun. And tomorrow's the Christmas party, so I'm excited to vlog, and hopefully I'll vlog it. Pretty sure. So I'm waiting for my client. I'm gonna show you guys my Instagram. I'm gonna show you some pictures. This is where I'm gonna be working. It's called Cedar Halls Med Spa and Salon. There's like the front area. Just like a front desk, and then there's like a waiting area. or there's the waiting area. And then those are the days. And then I just did a client today, so kind of Instagrammed the progress. And then the final. And yeah, talk to you guys later.
It's the flow that got the block hot, got super hot.
Finally done.